Hi, I am Shuva Mallick. I am a software engineer. So in this video, I will walk you through a real SaaS application, what I designed and built. So you can see exactly how I work and what I can do for you. Let's start. Here is the problem this project solves. Every SaaS product needs the same foundation, like user account, file storage, payments, and a admin dashboard. Building that from zero takes 3 to 4 weeks. I built NextOrbit to solve this. One complete production ready foundation. If a client comes to me tomorrow, we don't start from an empty folder. We start from a working product. Let me quickly show you what inside. It's built with Next.js 16 and React.js 19. The current production stack with TypeScript, so the code is type safe end to end. The UI uses Material UI version 7. For the backend, I used NextAuth for authentication, Prisma with PostgreSQL for the database, AWS S3 for file storage, and Stripe for payments. This is the same stack serious SaaS companies use in 2026. Now come to the authentication. Authentication is fully working. User can sign up with email and password, sign up with Google as well. And you can add more authentication without any issue, like GitHub and any other social media as well. And here's the detail most developer miss. If someone sign up with Google, then later log in using email and password, they land the same account. It automatically merge the information. No duplicate users. That means fewer support headaches for your customer. Now I am signing using default user ID password. I already registered it. And here is the registration form. Like you can create your own account. Also, you can log in using Google account. Sign in. Here is the dashboard. This is the user dashboard. You can see the user list. It's a real application, not a mock-up. Users can upload files and those go to directly to AWS S3. So large files never slow down file server. There's also a background sync engine that keeps the database and storage consistent. Your data stays clean and automatically. And here is the subscription form. I initially added 3 subscription and everything works properly. I already connected using a Stripe payment method. Also, you can access from dashboard after login. Here is it, billing. Then you can choose any of the packages. Now I am testing the payment method. I selected Pro package. You can see two versions. One is local currency, another one is USD. Now you need to put your card information. So I will put dummy card information. After putting card information, I subscribe. It's take a while. Successfully subscribed. Now redirect to my application. So you can see billing subscription is activated. The payment method is working properly. So if you want to cancel this subscription and manage your subscription, so click the manage button, then it go to the Stripe page. Now you can cancel the subscription and put your reason. That's it. Cancel subscription. Now canceling. Okay, already cancelled. Now I am redirect to my application. So you can see the notice. This subscription will end at one specific time. You can customize as you want. So that's NexusOrbit authentication, file storage, admin roles, payments, designed and built, and everything is working fine. If you are planning a SaaS product, a dashboard, or any web application, this is the level of work I deliver. Thanks for watching.